In this video, we are going to talk about the alternatives of ChatGPT. So back then, ChatGPT was like the head of every AI. So now there are lots of models of AI that have been released. So we are going to talk about the alternatives. So in this video, I'm going to get you an AI for every situation you find yourself, something like that. But then we are going to use a platform, which is POE. So the reason why I'm recommending this site in this video is we are in the AI era. You need to get stuff easy. When I try to list all these AIs, I'm going to forget some, but then on here, everything is here. You get it. So now you hop on this site here. They have a web version. You can see I have it on my laptop here. Their link is this, and they have a mobile version for iOS and Android as well. Now let's come here. On the mobile phone, you're going to see this explore. So now let's move to official. So just like I was saying earlier, so when you see every AI, you're going to see what the AI does best. So this AI is for writing and for code writing as well. So Cloud Sonnet, so ChatGPT 5 also good for some stuff. When you open the AI like this, you're going to see what the AI is best at. So you use it properly. That's it. Now let's come back. So at first, when you want to talk about relationship, you go to ChatGPT. When you want to get a work done, you go to ChatGPT. When you want to solve your math, you go to ChatGPT. But then this platform is something different. You get it. So now let's say we want to generate an image. So you can see ChatGPT image helps you generate image, but then we want alternatives of ChatGPT. So you can see this 3 models by Google, Imaging by Google, DeepMind. So all these are going to help you generate images. So I think the higher the model, the sharper the image is going to be. Now let's scroll down here. So these are all official ones. So this is Flux Pro. So if you're into AI, you're going to know this AI generates sharp images. So for this tool, they have all the models here. You get it? This is Imaging 3. So the top ones you saw was 4. And this is Gemini by Google. This is also used to generating images. So you can see this is Flux. This is also for generating images. And this is Dale. So if you know about image generation, you're going to know about this AI. This is sharp when it comes to generating images. This is Recraft. These are all official, AIs. Recraft, this is Luma, sorry, this is Luma for also generating of images. Now let's come here. So let's say we want to, generate an audio. Good. So when it comes to audio generation, we know 11 Labs. So 11 Labs is, very much popular when it comes to that. But then you can see this, we have this here, this official. You have this here, Julio, they even have a site. I've used it before. And this is also by Google. So when it comes to audio generation, you're going to get alternatives. This is something ChatGPT can do, but then you have these AIs going to do all that for you. Let's say we want a video generation. We've talked about image generation, audio generation, video generation, and then we move to coding. And then I think I'm going to end the video. So now when it comes to video generation, we have View. If you're into video generation, you're going to know about this AI. We have Runway. I have a lot of questions about Runway at my community section when I talk about AI there. And we have Julio here, and we have Sora. This is by ChatGPT for image generations. If you use ChatGPT mobile, you're going to see it's been added to the features. So yeah, there's an alternative. You want alternatives of ChatGPT, but then this is an alternative, but then it's owned by ChatGPT. I'm going to say that. And all these are AIs that are going to help you generate videos. Simple and easy. When it comes to programming, all these are unofficial here. You get it? All these are unofficial. So this is by Quen. This is official. Going to help you generate codes. Let's say you want a code for a website, for JavaScript, anything, PHP. This is going to help you generate. So on here, one thing I like about this is it's not only about the official AIs. You can get an AI which nobody knows, and you can use it to get your work done. So alternative of ChatGPT, you get it. We are in an AI era, and you need to get stuff done very, very much simple and easy. So let's move to this, which is AI and the rest. And also the official AIs, let me come here. The official AIs too, we have a version of ChatGPT that's for code generation. Official, let me come here, let me scroll down here. Yeah. So with the officials, just like I said earlier at the start of the video, read the description of every AI. So this is for writing code. Assistant is very much popular. So we have models of ChatGPT that is used for writing codes. So let's come here. You can see this is GPT-5 Nano 4.0. Be reading. So this is for summarizing and the rest. So this is for writing, a version of ChatGPT for writing. So you want something for code generation, be reading the descriptions. I think V3 is for writing good. So this version of DeepSeek is for writing codes, mathematics and reasoning. So if you want to write a code for something, I think this is the model of DeepSeek you need to be using. One good thing about this site, that's why I recommended this site. So this site is like an all-in-one something going to help you get all the alternatives of ChatGPT or every AI you use. So that's it for the video. If you're new here, give me a like, subscribe to my channel. This is a vast topic, but then I try to make it very much simple by using this app to, bring all these AIs together so I don't forget about them. Even if I didn't talk about any AI here, just hop on here on your mobile phone, Android, iOS, or your laptop. You can glance through, find the alternative of ChatGPT. You can use them for free, and you can also go with paid version, but then I always use it for free, you can see. So that's it for the video. If you're new here, give me a like, subscribe to my channel. Peace.